safety is important to us. Please pause for a moment to give your attention to the flight attendants. Luggage and personal articles should be stowed either overhead or under the seat in front of you. To prepare for departure, close your tray table and place your seat in the upright position. For those customers seated in an overwing exit seat, window shades must remain open for taxi, takeoff, and landing. If you haven't already fastened your seatbelt, insert the metal fitting into the buckle and pull the strap so it's tight across your hips. To open your seatbelt, lift the top of the buckle. Keep your seatbelt fastened when the seatbelt sign is on, and just in case there's turbulence, keep it on whenever you are in your seat. U.S. law requires compliance with lighted and posted signs and crew instructions. All flights are non-smoking. This includes e-cigarettes. It's against the law to tamper with, disable, or destroy the lavatory smoke detectors. The safety card in your seat pocket explains the safety features of this airplane, including the location and operation of exits and flotation devices. This airplane has 2 exit doors in the front, 4 window exits over the wings, and 2 exit doors in the back. All exits have evacuation slides to use in an emergency. When directed to exit, jump onto the slide and move away from the airplane. In a water evacuation, the exit door slides in the front and back of the airplane can be detached and used as rafts. All exits are clearly marked with signs and opening instructions. If needed, exit path lighting in the aisle will illuminate near the floor to guide you to an exit indicated by signs and lights. Keep in mind the closest exit may be behind you. In the event of an emergency, leave all belongings and proceed to the closest usable exit. If needed, oxygen mask will drop from an overhead compartment. Remain seated with your seatbelt fastened and pull the mask down to start the flow of oxygen. Place the mask over your nose and mouth and put the elastic band over your head. Pull the straps to tighten and breathe normally. Put on your mask before helping others. Oxygen is flowing even if the bag doesn't inflate. Your life vest is in a compartment under or next to your seat. Pull the strap to remove the life vest pouch. If equipped with elastic harness, remove the harness before opening the pouch. Take the vest out as shown on the safety card and put it over your head. Wrap the strap around your waist, attach the buckle, and tighten. Inflate your vest as you leave the airplane by pulling down on the red tab or by blowing into the red tube. Never inflate the vest inside the airplane. All vests have a light that turns automatically in the water. If necessary, an infant life vest should be distributed by a flight attendant. The safety card shows how to use it. We'll be dimming the cabin lights for takeoff, and the visual reading light controls are overhead. Federal regulations prohibit smoking, including the use of e-cigarettes and vaping devices at any time on board the aircraft. These devices may not be plugged into any power source, including USB ports and aircraft outlets. If you're wearing a face covering, in the event oxygen masks drop from an overhead compartment, remove your face covering before placing the oxygen mask over your nose and mouth. We're coming through now for our final safety checks. We appreciate you for choosing American. Sit back, relax, and enjoy your 2-hour and 38-minute flight to Syracuse. And just a reminder, here at American Airlines, we do have a quiet cabin policy. If you're listening to any entertainment on your personal device, you must wear headphones or your device must be in silent mode. Thank you for your understanding and your cooperation.
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, we are ready for departure at this time. If you use a laptop, computers, or large items, you ask to turn those off, please. And so for safe departure, handheld devices may be used in airplane mode. If any device that you're using has a detachable keyboard, it must be detached. For safe takeoff and landing, if it does not detach, it must be placed in the seat back pocket under the seat in front of you for safe departure. Also, American Airlines does exercise a fire policy. For our cabin, if you are using any electronic devices, they must be plugged into headphones or volume turned all the way off. Thank you for your cooperation. Welcome aboard.
attendants, please prepare for takeoff.